it's Stu Sensei here from Duck Academy, here to hit you up with today's great English phrase, and it's to do with beans again. Now, a little while back, I released a video that had a phrase that said full of beans, which meant full of energy. Today's bean phrase is spill the beans. Spill the beans. Okay, spill the beans means that you have given away a secret, or someone has given away a secret. So we can use this, for example, maybe someone is setting up a big party for your grandpa's 77th birthday. You know, it's a big occasion and it's a surprise party. But one member of the family goes and tells Grandpa that there's going to be a big party for them. It accidentally comes out of their mouth. So you can say to that family member, "Why did you spill the beans?" Meaning, why did you tell Grandpa, why did you give away the secret about the big party that was being organized? Okay, so you can use this anytime someone gives away a secret. Hope it's been useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Ciao!